Hi guys, Fluff here from techbeatph.com, and we're changing things up a bit. So we're unboxing and having our first look at the brand new Zephyrus M from ASUS. We visited the ASUS Philippines offices to unbox and have a first look at the brand new Zephyrus M. Opening the box, we can see that the laptop rises, taking design cues from the Zephyrus M itself. Removing the laptop from the box, immediately we can sense the premium finish of the laptop. Brushed aluminum finish, red accents, and a very slim profile. Turning our attention to the second box, opening it up, we find the power brick. It's new, it's relatively smaller than the previous one, and then we find the power cable. The I/O ports are similar with the Zephyrus models: HDMI, USB 3.0, USB 3.0 Type-C which supports Thunderbolt. Opening the laptop, we can see the airflow lift system that ASUS develops for the Zephyrus. The centrally placed RGB keyboard with Aura Sync also has 3 times better battery life with the new Optimus mode that allows you to switch up the GPU manually and increase its further usage when not in gaming. Featuring the ROG Exclusive Active Aerodynamic system, the ROG infused liquid crystal polymers increases the fan size by 32%, which allows an increase of 50% to the airflows to the fan blades to 71. Further boosted by the new hypercool design through copper thermal solutions. It also features the anti-dust thermal tunnels designed for maximum cooling efficiency. With this improvement in thermal efficiency, the Zephyrus M is now able to run a full-powered GTX 1070 inside the ultra-thin chassis. The Zephyrus can also be configured with an 8th generation Intel iCore 8850 Hexa-Core Processor, 2TB hard disk drive, a 512GB PCIEx4 Nvme SSD, 32GB of DDR4 Ram, and a 144Hz IPS panel with G-Sync. So, with everything we saw from the pre-production model, we are very excited to do an actual hands-on review for an extended period of time of the new Zephyrus M. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button to join our tribe. We would also like to hear from you. If you have any questions or anything you want to clarify, please put them in the comment section below. Also, click that notification icon for any new things coming from techbeatph.com.